Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Valorant lag, high ping and pocket loss problem. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on this command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now check my video description for these commands used in my video just to copy and paste it one by one. After finishing all these commands, you just need to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 2 guys. Method 2, you just need to go to search menu and type view network connection, click on open it. Right click on where internet connection you are using. I am using Ethernet. Select properties. Select internet protocol version 4 and select properties. In here select use the following DNS server addresses and you can use Google DNS or Cloudflare DNS. I gonna use Cloudflare DNS. After typing it, click on OK. Now you can launch the Valorant and check if the problem solved or not. If you still having lag, high ping and packet loss, then remove the custom DNS guys. Just select the properties and just select obtain DNS server automatically and click on OK. And just to close stuff here. Method 3, you just need to go to search menu and type settings, click on open it. On left side select network and internet. On right side select VPN. If you have connected to the VPN, then you just need to disconnect it, and after disconnecting the VPN you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.